Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to copy an XML file in Alight Motion. XML files are incredibly useful for sharing and reusing project settings, like animations and effects. They act as blueprints, allowing you to quickly apply complex designs without starting from scratch. This process can save you a significant amount of time and help you achieve professional results in your video projects. We will cover everything you need to know in 4 simple steps. Before importing, you need to prepare your XML file. Begin by downloading the XML file to your device, ensuring it's saved in an accessible spot like your Downloads folder or a cloud service. It's also crucial to make sure your Alight Motion application is updated to its latest version. This helps prevent compatibility issues and ensures a smooth import process. Having a reliable file manager app can also be very helpful for locating your file. Now, let's get that file into Alight Motion. For Android users, open your file manager, find the XML file, tap it, and select Alight Motion from the Share menu. For iOS users, you might save it to Google Drive or the Files app, then open Alight Motion, tap the plus icon, and import from there. Some versions also feature a Templates tab with an Upload XML file button for direct import. Once imported, your new project will appear in your Alight Motion project list or under your templates. You can now open it and begin customizing every aspect. Feel free to adjust layers, modify effects, change text, and tailor it to your specific needs. Remember to save your changes regularly to ensure your hard work is preserved. This powerful feature allows for endless creative possibilities and efficient workflow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.